Caregiver jobs in Austria. 2025, free visa and move with your family. Top care homes and hospitals. Hiring now. Hey everyone, welcome GK Health Passport. Have you ever pictured yourself living and working in one of the most beautiful countries in Europe? Imagine strolling through Vienna's historic streets or hiking the Austrian Alps. Austria is experiencing a huge demand for skilled caregivers, offering free visa sponsorship and the opportunity to bring your family along. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about landing these amazing caregiver jobs in Austria. So, if you're ready to embark on an incredible adventure, stick around because this video is for you. First up, let's talk about SeneCura Group, a name synonymous with exceptional caregiving in Austria. SeneCura is one of the largest private care providers in Austria, operating over 85 care homes and residences. These facilities are spread across the country, ensuring that quality care is accessible to many communities. They're actively seeking caregivers from all over the world and offer visa sponsorship, accommodation assistance, and help with navigating the Austrian healthcare system. This makes it easier for international caregivers to transition smoothly into their new roles and lives in Austria. SeneCura values compassion, empathy, and dedication to high-quality care. Their caregivers are trained to provide not just medical assistance, but also emotional support, creating a nurturing environment for residents. They offer a variety of roles, whether you're experienced or just starting out. From nursing positions to support staff roles, there's a place for everyone in the SeneCura family. You could be working in a modern facility, surrounded by a supportive team, earning a competitive salary, and enjoying great benefits. These benefits include health insurance, paid time off, and opportunities for professional development. SeneCura invests in their employees, providing pathways for career advancement. They offer continuous training programs and certifications to help you grow in your career. But SeneCura is just one of many incredible employers in Austria, eager to welcome qualified caregivers. The country is known for its high standards in healthcare and caregiving, making it an attractive destination for professionals in this field. Throughout this video, I'll highlight several other top-rated care providers. Each of these organizations offers unique opportunities and benefits, ensuring that you can find the perfect fit for your skills and career aspirations. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest opportunities and insights in the caregiving industry. Now let's dive into the next amazing opportunity. Stay tuned as we explore more about the rewarding world of caregiving in Austria. Let's talk about an organization that's all about making a real difference. Caritas Austria. This organization has been at the forefront of providing essential services to those in need, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their background, receives the care and support they deserve. Caritas Austria is a renowned non-profit organization providing a wide range of services, from home care to support for refugees and people with disabilities. Their mission is to offer a helping hand to those who are most vulnerable in our society, ensuring they have access to the resources and care they need to lead fulfilling lives. They're actively seeking individuals passionate about providing compassionate care. If you have a heart for helping others and want to make a tangible difference in people's lives, Caritas Austria could be the perfect place for you. Imagine working in a supportive environment where your contributions are valued and you're empowered to make a tangible difference. At Caritas Austria, you'll find a community of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to making the world a better place, one act of kindness at a time. Caritas offers diverse caregiving roles, from personalized home care to assisting individuals with disabilities. Whether you're providing companionship to an elderly person or helping someone with a disability navigate their daily life, your work will have a profound impact. They prioritize work-life balance, professional development, and a culture of collaboration. Caritas Austria understands that to provide the best care, their staff needs to feel supported and valued. That's why they invest in ongoing training and development opportunities, ensuring their caregivers are always growing and improving. As a caregiver with Caritas Austria, you'll build meaningful connections and make a real impact. The relationships you form with those you care for will be deeply rewarding, providing both you and them with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Caritas Austria is just one example of many incredible non-profit organizations in Austria seeking compassionate caregivers. These organizations play a crucial role in supporting our communities and ensuring that everyone has access to the care they need. Stay tuned as we explore more opportunities. There are countless ways you can get involved and make a difference, whether through caregiving, volunteering, or supporting these organizations in other ways. Let's move on to the next organization. Together, we can create a brighter future for everyone. Now let's talk about Haus der Barmherzigkeit, an institution synonymous with exceptional care. With a legacy spanning over 130 years, Haus der Barmherzigkeit provides compassionate and specialized care to the elderly and individuals with disabilities. Imagine working in a place where tradition and innovation go hand in hand. They provide individualized care that caters to the unique needs of each resident. As a caregiver, you'll work closely with a multidisciplinary team dedicated to creating a holistic environment. Haus der Barmherzigkeit offers roles in areas like dementia care, palliative care, and rehabilitation. They provide comprehensive training and development opportunities. You'll be part of a close-knit team that genuinely cares about each other and the residents. They foster a culture of respect, open communication, and mutual support. Let's explore the next opportunity. If you're looking to be part of a leading healthcare institution, Vinzenz Gruppe hospitals should be at the top of your list. This prestigious network of hospitals is not just a place of work, it's a community dedicated to the well-being of its patients and staff. From the moment you step through the doors, you can feel the commitment to excellence that permeates every aspect of the organization. This network of hospitals is renowned for its commitment to providing top-notch healthcare services. The staff here are not only highly skilled but also deeply compassionate, ensuring that every patient receives the best possible care. Whether it's a routine checkup or a complex surgical procedure, you can trust that you're in good hands. With a history spanning over 800 years, Vinzenz Gruppe combines medical innovation with core values of compassion and respect. This rich heritage is evident in their state-of-the-art facilities and the cutting-edge treatments they offer. Yet, they never lose sight of the human element, treating each patient with dignity and kindness. They offer a wide range of caregiver positions, from geriatric care to specialized support in areas like oncology or cardiology. No matter your area of expertise, there's a place for you at Vinzenz Gruppe. The hospital's diverse departments ensure that you can find a role that matches your skills and interests, allowing you to make a meaningful impact every day. Vinzenz Gruppe is dedicated to the professional growth of its employees, providing ongoing training and mentorship. They understand that the healthcare field is constantly evolving, and they are committed to helping their staff stay ahead of the curve. Through workshops, seminars, and hands-on training, you'll have ample opportunities to expand your knowledge and advance your career. They offer competitive salaries, comprehensive health insurance, and a supportive work environment. The benefits at Vinzenz Gruppe are designed to ensure that you can focus on what you do best, providing exceptional care to patients. The hospital's supportive culture fosters a sense of belonging and teamwork, making it a place where you can truly thrive. Working with Vinzenz Gruppe means making a real difference in the lives of patients and their families. Every day you'll have the opportunity to touch lives and contribute to the health and well-being of the community. It's a rewarding experience that goes beyond the typical job, offering a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Stay tuned for more opportunities. Vinzenz Gruppe is always on the lookout for dedicated professionals who are passionate about healthcare. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to take the next step, there are numerous opportunities to grow and succeed here. Let's move on to the next organization. Let's talk about Diakonie Österreich, an organization dedicated to creating a more just and compassionate society. Diakonie Österreich is a leading provider of social care services, supporting those in need regardless of their background. They offer diverse caregiving roles, from home care services to specialized facilities for individuals with disabilities, refugees, or those facing homelessness. Diakonie Österreich is committed to social justice and inclusion, creating a workplace where everyone feels valued and respected. They offer comprehensive training programs, language support for international employees, and opportunities for professional growth. As a caregiver, you'll build meaningful connections and contribute to a more equitable society. Diakonie Österreich is just one example of many organizations in Austria seeking compassionate caregivers. Stay tuned for more opportunities. Let's move on to the next organization. Let's talk about the Red Cross, a symbol of humanitarian aid and compassionate care. Red Cross Austria offers incredible opportunities for caregivers to make a real difference. They provide a range of positions, from direct care to specialized care facilities. The Red Cross is committed to comprehensive training and development for its employees. They are actively seeking international caregivers and offer visa sponsorship. Join the Red Cross and be part of a legacy of service. Stay tuned for more opportunities. Let's move on to the next organization. Finally, let's talk about Vienna General Hospital, or AKH Wien. AKH Wien is one of the largest and most renowned hospitals in Europe. They offer a wide array of caregiver positions, from bedside care to specialized units like the ICU or emergency room. AKH Wien is committed to providing world-class training and development opportunities. They are actively recruiting international healthcare professionals and offer relocation assistance and visa sponsorship. Join AKH Wien and be part of a medical institution at the forefront of innovation. Stay tuned for more opportunities. Let's wrap up this video. Thank you for watching this video on caregiver jobs in Austria in 2025. If you're ready to start your journey, follow the steps I've shared and apply today. A huge thank you to my 20,000 subscribers for your support. And to those who haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button like this video and share it with someone who dreams of working in Austria. Let me know in the comments if you have questions or need more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.